Hey guys, the Xiaomi Mi 10T series launching on September 30th, in which we may see 3 devices like Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite, Standard Mi 10T and at last Mi 10T Pro 5G. We have all the details about the phone along with price details, and starting off with the prices, Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite will have 2 variants, 6GB plus 64GB / 6GB 128GB storage, and according to tipster Sudhanshu, it will be cheapest 5G smartphone in Europe and first device to offer Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor with less than 300 euros for 64GB storage and 350 euros for 128GB model. The standard Mi 10T will have a single variant 8GB RAM plus 128GB internal storage and will come around 499 euros. Now finally, the top end model Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro will have 2 variant 8GB plus 128GB for 550 euros and 8GB plus 256GB for 600 euros. He also says his sources are giving little bit different information, so it is advised to take these prices with a pinch of salt. Now coming to the specifications, Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G will have a 6.67-inch 1080p resolution large IPS LCD display with 144Hz refresh rate. Flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 5G CPU will be there for the performance, and gaming experience would be good enough. Back of the phone will have a triple camera setup with 108 megapixel main sensor along with OIS support, 13 megapixel ultra wide angle and legendary 5 megapixel macro shooter. Now for the selfie camera, there's a tiny punch hole cutout for 20 megapixel sensor. Under the hood, device will have 5000 mAh huge battery size with 33 watt fast charging as well. Other features like Type-C port, NFC, Bluetooth 5.1, IR blaster and many more will be available in the phone, but unfortunately there will be no 3.5mm audio jack or in-display fingerprint scanner. Overall, the device looks good but lacks high quality features like Super AMOLED display, telephoto sensor and wireless charging support, but considering the prices, I won't complain much. Anyways, do let me know your thoughts in the comment section about the prices of the Xiaomi Mi 10T series, and if you end up liking this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more updates. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace out.